Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Here are 13 streamlined minimalist bedroom ideas. 1. Try lime wash paint, creating texture without adding too many elements. The result is an aged-looking and textured paint perfect for bringing depth into a minimalist bedroom. 2. Match nightstands to floor finish, creating a sanctuary matching the nightstands to the floor. 3. Implement a subtle accent wall. 4. Go for statement lighting, to get the same look when using a blend of lighting sources. 5. Don't be afraid of bold colors. 6. Mix shapes and textures. 7. Embellish with simple florals. Rely on simple florals and greenery. 8. Lean on natural materials. 9. Add depth with a big bed frame. Use a 4-poster bed to add volume without the bulk. 10. Embrace warm tones, to keep the minimalist space from looking bare. 11. Hang floor-to-ceiling drapery. Create a wall of comfort with stone-hued window treatments that bring understated glamour. 12. Try textured wallpaper. 13. Edit down visual noise.